When putting a nozzle into the end of a wand, it's really important to make sure that you're locking the collar into place. Locking the collar into place ensures that the tip is not going to shoot out. Typically what will happen when the nozzle shoots across the ground, you'll probably lose an O-ring with it, and then when you put the tip back into place, water will spray out right in between the quick connect and the spray nozzle. If you happen to lose your nozzle out the end of the wand, typically the O-ring will shoot out with it. This is a 1/4 inch O-ring that goes into the quick coupler. Once you have the O-ring back into place, make sure you pull that collar down, insert the nozzle, and lock it back into place, and that'll ensure that things do not shoot across the ground. Other issues that may happen with pressure loss could be the sizing of your nozzle. All pressure washer nozzles for the most part look the same, and if you don't know the difference, you can pick up the wrong size nozzle at a store and you'll be creating pressure issues where it's either bypassing water or you're letting too much water through and it's dropping the pressure. Either way, you need to make sure that before you purchase a nozzle that you're consulting your dealer that you purchased the machine from, and you have the proper size nozzle for the machine. You can see by looking at this nozzle that it's a 15-degree nozzle denoted by the first 2 numbers, and then the last 2 numbers is the size, so it's a number 5.0. So the tip size is a 15050. If you pick up a nozzle from the lumber yard or a hardware store, you can find them anywhere from size 3 on up to a typical number 6. On nozzles, it's important to keep debris clear and free out of the spray tip. Inside the spray nozzle channel here, there is an orifice. If a rock or a piece of debris happens to get in there, it'll give you an inconsistent pattern and you'll notice it right away. So you want to inspect the hole on the nozzle to make sure that it's good and clear, so it gives you a consistent spray pattern.